For many of us, mapping has become a crucial tool for not only finding structure, but finding a lot of little spots on the structure that'll hold more walleyes. So what I want to do is show you how you can use the HDS Live Genesis Live mapping to give yourself some more precise mapping for any lake that you might want to fish. So what I've got here on the screen is an example of a hump. It's a 15-foot hump out and surrounded by 25 foot of water. You can see that the mapping shows it as just a big round circle here. And you can see I kind of made a little bit of a pattern, kind of a grid here to try and cover the whole hump, because what I was doing was I was actually creating a map as I went. First thing I'm going to do here is just turn off my trail here so that you can see things a little bit better. Trails, it's this one right here. So I'll turn off my trails and you can see again, there's the round hump. Now what I'm going to do is turn on the Genesis Live right here, and you will see this is what I actually mapped out. So instead of that round circle, what I've got is all kinds of places that I might want to fish on here. So to do this on your unit, the first thing you've got to do, you've got to have a CMAP card in there. That's where all of this information is going to be stored on. Second thing is that you want to have a external GPS puck very, very close to your transducer. To get real precise mapping, the closer you can get that puck to your transducer, the better. If you can't do that, then try and get your unit with its GPS as close as you can to your transducer. That's what's going to give you these nice smooth contours and the really precise detail. So if you have a lake that doesn't have real good mapping, or you have a lake that has no mapping at all, you can get an HDS Live unit, turn on the Overlay Genesis Live, drive around your structure, and it's going to point out spots on that structure that'll hold a lot of walleyes.